pretty easy. It's just got really two parts, one part of the chorus. So the first, we're going to the right, 2, 3, 4, and turn, 2, 3, 4. That's it, y'all know that. So then we're gonna go 2 up, 2 back, back step up. Okay? Then we're gonna go with the left foot, 2 up, 2 back, up, step, and turn. How y'all feel? So let's go from the top. Well, when we're here, because we're just going through this quarter, we're going to go back right, left, That's the whole thing. Except for the chorus. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. You can hear Coolio singing. To the left. Hey! And 2 up, 2 back, up, back step up. 2 up, 2 back, up, step, turn. Take it back. It's right. And left, and right, and left. Then we repeat it to get to this back wall. 5, 6, 7, and 8 to the right. Let's turn. 2, 3, 4, 2 up, 2 back, up, back, step up. 2 up, 2 back, up, step, and turn. Take it back. It's right, and left, and right, and left. Is that not easy? So then the chorus, so it's 3 rotations, and on the 3rd rotation you do the chorus 3 times. So you're gonna dig. You're gonna dig with your right. Dig right, dig left, pivot turn, and roll, Dig right, dig left, pivot turn, walk. And walk, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That be the whole thing. Y'all, how y'all feel? Because I saw some people in the back was like, don't know. I ain't feeling it. They got it. Let's go again. I know. So let's go again. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. And turn. 2 up, 2 back. Up, back step up. 2 up, 2 back. Up and turn. Back right, back left, back right, and repeat to the right. And turn. 2 up, 2 back. Up, step up. 2 up, 2 back. Back. Back right. Ronnie's back there. That's dig. That's dig. Pivot turn, and roll. Let's dig. Pivot turn, walk right, left. And a dance. How you feel? We good? Easy. Peasy. Don't y'all think? We ready. So it's Coolio's Groove. That's the name of the dance. My birthday dance for the 60th trip around the sun last year.
And people come from miles around with an almost religious devotion to get on down.
Stop Hey, y'all got some